Derma fillers is actually a misnomer and used to contour the face permanently. These agents are better known as soft tissues filler as they may be administered in not only the dermis, that is the deep layer of the skin, but even below the fat or just above the bone. Derma fillers are known by different names such as soft tissue fillers, injectable cosmetic fillers, and facial fillers, etc. The most commonly used filler is the hyaluronic acid. Fillers to make you look beautiful and younger. Hyaluronic acid is a substance produced naturally in the human body, responds to provide volume to the skin and to tighten the skin. Soft tissues filler aid in maintaining volume, re-inflate the deflated facial fat compartments, lift the face, contour the face, restore the lost volume, correct tissues hydration by gauging water to give you a more supple and smoother appearance. Soft tissues fillers and anti-wrinkles injections are completely different treatments and have different outcome and results. Anti-wrinkle injections treatment can act upon underlying muscles to prevent the communication between the nerves and muscles which causes wrinkles. In contrast, derma fillers restore the lost volume and add structure, contour and shape to the face. Contouring is the new trend and who does not want a chiseled and beautiful face? Both the treatments are very effective treatments, but the incredible versatility of derma filler is increasing its popularity among people. Patients have a particular fear of needles, but trust us, there is nothing to be afraid of when it comes to filler or anti-wrinkle injections for that matter. Many derma fillers are mixed with numbing agents to reduce your discomfort due to the pain caused by the fine needle. You can opt to utilize local anesthesia for a nerve block if you want to before the procedure. Moreover, with the use of cannulas, the treatment is comfortable for most patients. This completely depends upon the type of derma filler used, the area injected, and the patient's habits and metabolism rate. So, how long will the results last? Some more robust and heavy fillers are last long or for long period of time, whereas other lighter molecules persist for shorter time period. The time period typically ranges from 6 months to 18 months. So, where all can you use these derma fillers? Fillers are typically used for facial beautification and face contouring. Upper face, forehead contouring, eyebrows reshaping. Mid face, this is the main area where derma fillers may be used to combat the signs of the aging face, which are most prevalent in the mid face, working on the area around the eye, which gives the most rewarding result if done in a proper and graded manner. Cheeks contouring, nose reshaping, laugh lines or folds. Lower face, derma fillers in the lower face involves correction of the lip volume or shaping the lip, chin reshaping and uplifting the mouth corners. A chiseled face jawline is also achieved by soft tissue fillers in the right patient, depending on your specific requirement. Goals and motivation and individualized treatment plan are charted out before commencing treatment. So, the adorable clinic believes in using the best treatment for anti-aging treatment in Delhi, tattoo removal in Delhi, and also laser hair removal in Delhi, and other skin disorder treatments. Our best skin specialist in Delhi delivering natural results after giving due to respect to our patient's goal and motivation. To make a schedule, call us on 097 111 50928.